This course is likely similar to the courses that you'll be enrolled in as a learner. So let's talk about some of the common features. The first is the navigation bar at the top of the screen. Here you can find persistent links to home, dashboard, and/or My Courses. You can also access your notifications and your new messages. The user menu, which is the icon all the way to the right, is where you can access things like your profile, grades for all courses, your calendar, and your preferences. The settings bar at the very top of the course includes a link to the homepage of the course itself, a link to the roster if you're allowed to see it, and your course grades. You can navigate through your course either by scrolling up and down or by opening the course index on the left side of the page. The course index is an interactive table of contents. It highlights elements as you scroll through the course, and you can collapse sections that you're not currently using. Your instructor may choose to enable activity completion requirements for activities and resources in your course. This means that there are certain tasks that you must do for those resources or activities to be fully marked as complete. Note that this is separate from a grade, though sometimes an activity completion requirement is receiving a grade. For example, I have a page resource here, and my requirement was that I view it. I've done that, so the label changed to done. However, I also have an example forum, and my requirement for activity completion is that I create one forum post. Since I haven't done that, the label is gray and it says to do, make forum posts 1. My activity completion status also appears in the course index. For example, I've completed this activity, so I have a green dot that says done when I hover my cursor over it. But I haven't finished the next activity, so that's a hollow gray circle, and it says to do when I hover my cursor over it. We've designed this course to allow you to test several different resource and activity types that you'll run into as a learner. For example, everyone's browser is a little bit different when you click to download a file, so we've included some files for you to download to see what happens in yours. We've also included sample assignments, forums, and quizzes for you to try out. These are not going to be monitored, though they do have grades associated with them so that you can see what the grading process would look like. Finally, your instructor may have added blocks to the course. Blocks are sort of like widgets that offer specific functionality. To open the block drawer, click the icon on the right side of the page. Our instructor has added 2 blocks to this course, the activities block and the calendar. The calendar will show me things like upcoming due dates. The activities block looks for specific activities in your course and creates a special page that just lists those activities. For example, if I click the forums link, it will load a list of every forum in my course. As always, if you have any questions about how your course is constructed or the course content, please do contact your instructor.